Are you looking for a very low maintenance, approximately 1,300 square foot, 1.5 bath, 3-bedroom townhome in a spectacular setting?
How about a newly renovated end-unit townhome in a quiet community with only 12 upscale townhomes? You're gonna wanna check this out. Follow me.
You know, Coop, we're in a bit of a changing real estate market, but you know what doesn't change? Is the principles of real estate over time. Things like location, condition, and price.
Yeah, that's right, Steve. I agree 100%, especially considering I've been hearing it for the last 25 years of my life. But in all seriousness, this place does check off all of the boxes. We're an end-unit townhome, fully renovated in a beautiful community, and this location is second to none.
Welcome to our newest listing at 17 St. Vincent Street, Unit 12. I love what these folks have done with this beautiful open concept kitchen here. They've got a custom countertop, beautiful stainless steel appliances, white shaker cabinetry, and my favorite feature is this walkout to this beautiful deck, perfect for those morning coffees.
The kitchen naturally flows into this dining room complete with vinyl flooring, but you're not gonna wanna miss this space over here. We have a generous sized living room flooded with natural light, and the best part about it, this walkout right here to your gorgeous backyard.
This upper level has also been nicely updated. It features 3 good-sized bedrooms as well as a nicely renovated main bath.
You know, Steve, for little to no maintenance on an end-unit townhome with a pile of different upgrades and only being 2 minutes away from the water, doesn't get much better than this.
That's right, Coop, you nailed it. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.